model, 69-plate Volkswagen Crafter Cr35 Trendline 2.0 Tdi will start timing belt issue no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 109,202. MOT, the 21st of October 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 177 PSE U6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, this will run with a bit of easy start, but it's popping from the intake. The timing belt had snapped, but had been replaced, but has obviously caused internal damage. We suspect the rockers or worst case the valves are damaged, definitely worth repairing, absolute bargain no VAT, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6.